Hello, I'm Chini from MSK MRI.
Injury to the medial ligamentous structures of the knee is the most common knee trauma. A common mechanism of injury is valgus knee loading. Rupture of the proximal attachment is much more common than rupture of the distal attachment, but any combination of locations may exist. The grading of injuries to the medial supporting structure on MR imaging is variable. Although the classic 3-grade scheme is better suited to clinical assessment, many radiologists refer to grade 1 injuries in the presence of soft tissue edema paralleling the superficial medial collateral ligament. MRI grade 1 injury involves microscopic tears of individual fibers and is characterized by subcutaneous edema adjacent to an intact MCL. Grade 2 injuries are identified by ligamentous attenuation with focal or segmental areas of ligament thickening. Grade 3 injuries are recognized when there is a complete loss of continuity of ligamentous fibers. However, it is important to note that agreement between MRI and clinical gradings of MCL injuries was only fair, with MRI almost always overestimating the grade of the injury when there was a mismatch. The severity of MCL injuries can be divided into 3 grades based on the MRI appearance. However, grades assigned by MRI often differ from the clinical grade. In this image, red represents the superficial medial collateral ligament, and orange represents the posterior oblique ligament. Only high signal edema outlining the superficial MCL without loss of ligamentous integrity is observed. It is considered a grade 1 injury. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it.